See. Hello my friend, today I will be showing you how you can use the Ultima coin in our debit card, our PLC debit card. Look, this is our Ultima wallet. So just I now click in Ultima wallet, you can see my balance. You see this my balance? Here is 0.093. Look on this here. Camera. Look on this balance, 0938 is the same balance. You can see the same balance. Now I want to sell my coins with the euro. I want to sell in the only the 50 euro. Just wait. And I click the confirm and I give my password. Sorry. Just confirm, and I want to send my coins in here, and I click the next and I send. Congratulations.
Hello?
And okay, just wait the few seconds. Now you can see there's one few seconds, only the few seconds. You can see how it is working in the direct the euro. After you see the payment is processed, I click the process and you can see in my accounts it's already 50 euro, and now I want to load my euro in my card is 50 euro, 50 euro, and I click the confirm and I give the secret code. This is my secret code. You see this camera here? This is my secret code. I put 118142 and confirm. Transfer successfully complete. I click OK. You can see now is my balance is 124. So now I will be showing you my debit card. Just wait. This is my debit card. Now I want to go in the ATM booth. How I can take my money in direct ATM booth in the Dubai. Let's go. This is my debit card. You see this is my debit card. Now I am working in the Dubai ATM booth. You see? Now I put my pin code. Get cash, current. I want to put in 100 dirham. Agree to continue. We are processing your request. Convert. It's okay. You see, listening, this man is come. This man is come. Look. Look. This is my card. Look. This 100 dirham. This 100 dirham. And this is my receipt. So, what do you think? This is real or? Now take your decision. Time is now.